Naranasan mo ng traidorin para sa'yo to. You helped them, you stood by them, you gave them your loyalty. Pero sa huli, ikaw pa rin ang sinisiraan. Ikaw pa ang lumalabas na masama. That kind of betrayal cuts deep. Not because you're weak, but because you love genuinely in a world that doesn't always know how to handle sincerity. And I see you, yung tipong kahit nasaktan ka, hindi mo pa rin nagagawang gumante. Kahit pwede ka nang manira pabalik, pinili mong manahimik. So thank you. Thank you for staying kind, even when the world gave you every reason to grow cold. Thank you for choosing peace over pride. And thank you for proving na hindi mo kailangan sirain ng iba para lang makaangat ka. Here's the truth. Not everyone you help wants to see you win. Some only stick around as long as they benefit from you. Pero nung ikaw na ang nauuna, they couldn't handle your growth. So they attack your name behind your back. I had to learn this the hard way. I helped someone rise to the point na mas malaki na ang kinikita niya bilang isang housewife kaysa dun sa asawa niya. But in the end, controller daw ako. Lahat ng success niya, sa kanya lang daw galing. Wala daw akong inambag. I wasn't asking for acknowledgement, kaya hinayaan ko na lang. Pero ito yung malupit. Nagsorry siya, umiyak pa siya at yumakap sa akin. Then just a few weeks later, trinaydor niya ako. Out of nowhere. Nasaktan ako pero hindi ako nasurpresa. Because yes, I already forgave her. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nun ay may tiwala na ulit ako sa kanya. Looking back, here's what I realized. You don't need to prove anything to those who chose to betray you. It's not your responsibility to explain your heart to someone who made it their mission to twist your story. God saw what they did and trust me, He's still in control. If you've been quietly carrying this pain, I just want you to know, you're not alone, you're not forgotten, and you're still a good person kahit trinaydor ka nila. So you don't need revenge. Your peace is already louder than their lies.